Hey everyone, here is my really quick and easy Easter nail art tutorial. So I'm just going to show you how to create the bunny on my ring finger because I thought polka dots were pretty self-explanatory. So let's get into how I created the little bunny. I'm starting off with a base coat to protect my natural nail. And then I'm applying 2 thin coats of this gorgeous turquoise polish. This is at your athleisure from the new China Glaze Chic Physique collection for spring 2018. I absolutely am obsessed with that collection, and this is one of my favorite polishes from it, and it's so creamy and beautiful. To create the little bunny, I am taking a small nail art brush and some white nail polish. I'm making a circle for the head, and then I am making the body by making sure that it is thicker down towards the tip of my nail and thinner towards the head of the bunny. And then I'm also adding 2 ears. And then I'm just filling in the entire bunny with white nail polish. And just to add a touch of detail, I'm adding a little bit of pink to the ears, and that's it. I'm just finishing off this look with some top coat, and these nails are really easy and adorable to create for spring, but especially Easter. So for all of you that celebrate Easter, happy Easter. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.